Hey, welcome to my VerifAi review. Today, I'm going to show you a powerful tool that lets you create, sell, and profit from AI bots, effortlessly using automation and artificial intelligence. And here's the exciting part. You don't need coding skills, expensive developers, or months of trial and error to get started. Just plug in your details and let AI do the work for you. Make sure to stick around because I'll also break down all the upgrades, OTOs, so you know exactly what you're getting before making a decision. If you're new here, welcome. I've spent the last 6 years mastering affiliate marketing and SEO, and I'm here to help you find the best tools that actually deliver results. If that's something you're into, hit that like button, subscribe, and tap the bell so you never miss an update. And here's a special treat. I've put together some exclusive bonuses you'll get only through my link below. These are crafted to help you get the most out of VerifAi. Check the description for all the juicy details. Don't wait, they might disappear soon. So, what is VerifAi? VerifAi is a cloud-based AI platform that helps you create and monetize smart AI bots without any coding or technical knowledge. It's designed for anyone who wants to start a passive income stream by offering AI bot services, automating customer interactions, or selling ready-made bots to clients, businesses, or local marketers. No coding, no problem, no content writing. The bots handle that too. It's beginner-friendly and insanely powerful. This isn't some push button equals $1,000 per day. Nonsense. VerifAi gives you the tools, training, and commercial rights, but your success depends on your action. If you're ready to hustle smart, this is your shortcut to real results. Standout features that caught my eye: AI-powered bot builder. Build bots that sell, support, and serve. Done-for-you templates. 10x AI bots included out of the box. Built-in monetization tools. Sell bots, generate leads, or bundle them into offers. Cloud-based platform. Access from anywhere. No downloads or installs. Commercial license included. Charge clients or sell bots for $100 to $500 each. How it works. Super simple. 1. Log in to the VerifAi dashboard. 2. Choose your bot template or build your own. 3. Customize with your logo, name, and content. Publish and share your bot. Use it for leads, sell it, or plug it into your site. No tech headaches. Just follow the training, click a few buttons, and you're ready to roll. Let me quickly show you a demo so you can see it in action.
Did you know you're 3 clicks away from 100% done for you? Chat-powered cash pages that get us both free viral traffic and sales in as little as 48 seconds? If that sounds exciting, then listen up and here's why. Our brand new software does exactly that. Introducing VerifAi. VerifAi lets anyone leverage our new passive, AI-powered cash pages which result in $45 an hour for us 24/7. Here's how it works. Step 1. Grab a copy, click on any of the links on this page to get instant access to VerifAi. Step 2. Deploy, let AI create cash pages for you in 48 seconds or less and blast them to billions of people. Step 3. Money. Yup, that's it. Each cash page that we create, we get paid by the hour. There's no technical setup, no video recording, no investment needed, no speaking, no reading, no writing, no waiting for results, and no waiting to get paid. AI literally does it all for us. This is the easiest way we've seen to get results online. So how much is this going to cost? Well, how much is getting results online worth to you? I'm guessing $47 a month to make things a reality would be a bargain, right? But of course you aren't going to pay $47 a month. You aren't even going to pay $37 a month. No, not even $27 a month. In fact, you're not going to pay monthly at all. When you act right now during the special launch period, you can get in for a tiny one-time investment. But that's not all, because we believe in delighting our customers. So when you act right now, you'll also get our brand new bonus bundle, absolutely free. You can see all the details below. These bonuses have never been offered before and are not available anywhere else for anybody to buy. But you get them absolutely free. And to make this a no-brainer for you, We're totally removing all the risk for you with our 365-day money-back guarantee. And to totally blow your socks off, when you act now, you also get our Get Results or Get Paid $250 money-back guarantee. If for some reason you don't get results with VerifAi, just let us know what you tried, and not only will we send you your money back, we'll also send you $250. It's literally a win-win situation for you. But hurry, act fast, because the price really goes up every 60 minutes. If you come back later, you will pay more. So if you want to tap into this incredible AI-powered opportunity, then all you need to do is click the button below to lock in your spot. Remember, VerifAi is letting us generate cash pages on autopilot that makes us $45 an hour non-stop. If you want to join in on the fun, then you know what you need to do. So hurry, click the Get Started button below for instant access. Do it now before the price increases, and we'll see you on the inside.
Upgrades, OTOs. What's available? Once you grab the main VerifAi product, you'll be offered a few optional upgrades. Here's what they are. OTO 1, Unlimited Edition, $97.47. Unlock everything. No restrictions, more templates, more bots, more power. OTO 2-DFY package, $297. They'll do all the heavy lifting: setup, automation, design, and monetization. OTO 3, Automation Edition, $39. Add auto responses, smart triggers, and schedule features for hands-free bot running. OTO 4, Traffic AI Edition, $47. Inject your bots with instant traffic tools to get leads and sales right away. OTO 5, Reseller License, $47. Sell VerifAi as your own and keep 100% of the profits across the entire funnel. Pick what matches your goals. Personally, I recommend OTO 1 for scaling and OTO 5 if you want to make big affiliate commissions or run your own agency. What I love about VerifAi, it's easy to use, even for beginners. Saves tons of time with templates and automation. Commercial license included. Make money right out the gate. Built with marketers in mind. Fast setup, fast results. What could be better? It's not a replacement for custom high-end development. So if you need a full-blown enterprise bot system with deep API integrations, this might feel basic. But for 99% of digital marketers, freelancers, and small biz owners, it's perfect. Final verdict, should you get it? If you're looking to ride the AI wave and start generating passive income with zero tech hassle, then VerifAi is a smart investment. It's affordable, it's beginner-friendly, it's proven. With $10 million plus already made from similar funnels, and it's backed by a 365-day money-back guarantee. You literally have nothing to lose. Click the link below to grab VerifAi now and unlock all the bonuses waiting inside Warrior Plus. Thanks for watching my VerifAi review. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, leave a comment if you have questions, and subscribe for more no BS reviews and strategies. Catch you in the next one.